only showing up if you gon' pay me. Give me that. Don't play me. Yeah, I'm only showing up if you gon' pay me. Where my money at? Usaluka lanjalo cause you lazy. Ubenzela yonke into abocheli. Alsaspaning ondo ngatbakisi kemi fukezi. Spending money on them hoes, yeah. 1 second, what are those now? You keep biting on my flows now. All that shit you do is so far. You fugazi, some fake shit. You fugazi, on some fake shit. Hold up, you fugazi, yeah, on some fake shit, yeah. You fugazi, hold up, on some fake shit, yeah. Louis, Gucci, Sachi, no fugazi. I know why you hate, bitch, you lazy. Everything is good, we parlay. At the top is where I'm stationed. I know what it is, you just lazy. Where my money, come and pay me. Where my money? Put the work and get the paper. And this could gon' elevate you. Ain't no time for no hater. Ain't nobody got time for that. The money calling, see you later. I was good, now I'm greater. Lord is my savior. I'm only showing up if you gon' pay me. Where my money at? Usaluka lanjalo cause you lazy. Ubenzela yonke into abocheli. Alsaspaning ondo ngatbakisi kemi fukezi. Spending money on them hoes, yeah. 1 second, what are those now? You keep biting on my flows now. All that shit you do is so far. You fugazi, on some fake shit. You fugazi, on some fake shit. Hold up, you fugazi, on some fake shit. Yeah, you fugazi, hold up, on some fake shit. You fugazi. This bitch think I'm a chaser. It ain't a thing till you raise it. Eat it back and I'll replace it. Moving like a boss, I'm going major. What you sipping, that's fugazi. Oh, you tripping, that's fugazi. Say you different, not fugazi. Life you living is fugazi. Fuck you, pay me, now don't play me. And the pussy and niggas tend to disrespect me lately. Let's cock my, that's alright. Put in the work like all night. Say you ballin', that's all lights. Till I pull up in F45. I've been struggling all my life until I got a lick, I'm read up. Roof gone, jewels glow, I know they can see us, yeah. I'm only showing up if you gon' pay me. Where my money at? Usaluka lanjalo cause you lazy. Ubenzela yonke into abocheli. Alsaspaning ondo ngatbakisi kemi fukezi. Spending money on them hoes, yeah. 1 second, what are those now? You keep biting on my flows now. All that shit you do is so far. You fugazi, on some fake shit. You fugazi, on some fake shit. Hold up, you fugazi, on some fake shit. You fugazi, hold up, on some fake shit. You fugazi.
Right, that was the sound of MT. Wow, MT has been killing it, man. Ever since I figured the week game, he's been killing it and killing it. Just producing like hit after hit. Well, sisaguyo na namandi the topic. Load shedding kodwa nje sesizoyigoqa ngokwakho mlaleli wena ikuphi ocabanga ukuthi ugovernment ufanele akwenze ukuthi si avoid into load shedding. Siyazi ukuthi Eskom has come out in the past and said the reason of load shedding ukuthi they do not have enough coal or amandla ukuthi bakwazi producer ugesi produce wonke umuntu eSouth Africa at the same time. So what they do is to implement the load shedding, is to try to save some power. Akhona lapha siyazi abantu bahlezi bekhala ngokuthi ama-power stations abo awekho capable enough to sort out wonke umuntu, but they said they need imali enkundla impela. Last time I checked, I think yayizela ku 30 billion 45 billion bethi badinga ukwakha istation, another power station lapha ezokwazi ukusiza lezi ezikhona when it comes to load shedding. Well, some people are saying ukuthi why is the government giving us load shedding when they are the ones providing electricity kwamanye amazwe angaphandle? Ngisho bala nje izwe lifana njengeZimbabwe, siyazi ukuthi ugesi luthola la eSouth Africa, amanzi lwadonsa la eSouth Africa in order to likwazi ukufunctiona, but yet thina as abantu base-South Africa asinawo ugesi. Why must we suffer while South Africa yona ibhizi isiza amanye ama-countries? Understand kufanele sisizane, bathi izandla ziyagezana, kodwa ke phela abacabangela abantu basekhaya first phela ke before bayocabangela abantu bangaphandle. Wemlaleli sesinza sibeke nje lapho le topic yethu yanamhlanje. Ukhumbuleke ukuthi you can still have your say lapha kwi-social media and let us know ukuthi wena ucabangani ngale topic yanamhlanje, and sitshela ama-views akho ukuthi wena yini obona ukuthi mhlawumbe ingasiza, yini obona ukuthi mhlawumbe ingaba ngcono wena mhlawumbe to try and help out kwi-load shedding eSouth Africa. Well, ke siqhubeka ne-breakfast show laphana, sigijime nje nasiyongena kwezinye iy'ngoma. Masibuya emva lokho sokhuluma ngezinto ezithe mhlawumbe zenzeka noma zaduma kule sonto esiphuma kulona.
Let's get ready to rumble! Let's get ready to rumble!
Shit hooking pad. Yeah. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. I'ma fucking get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. Townhouse next to it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. Drop top with a dope rims, look sick with a noob. I'ma get it, I'ma get it, I'ma get it, I'ma get it. Swear that on my own life, been broke, I'ma die rich. I'ma get it, I'ma get it, I'ma get it, I'ma get it. The gold watch with a gold ring, I'ma get it, I'ma get it. I'm the nigga chasing paper, disappear like the vapor. All this gonna cater for my niggas cause they're famous. I'm the nigga chasing paper, disappear like the vapor. Now this gonna cater for my niggas cause they're famous. Dope nigga chasing big dreams with my sick team, yabangena. Smoke weed, sipping codeine, man my self-esteem's getting greater. Ngifuna inyoko ngipanta zonke insuku ngifunga uNkulunkulu kusazodumisa ulangiso nesiphokopho Ntethelelo logo trapping emazulu stepping like a guru. Get it, get it, get it, get it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. Townhouse next to it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. Drop top with a dope rims, look sick with a noob. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. Swear that on my own life, been broke, I'ma die rich. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. The gold watch with a gold ring. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. For the malikazi and anxiety, so I'm hitting these bars and janging plaggy. Feeling sabi ngobang naik bloody face, these odds I ain't worried. They came in funny, man, it's getting bloody, slaying these bars, I'm a warrior. Honeys love me and they shake their bodies to the sick beats that are murder. This is fair for a favor, gotta sign checks worth millions. Buy lens, then I buy bands, just to have a swag looking foreign. Now the money's only pouring. All my haters I'm ignoring. I'm out the horde that I'm touring. And those men, I'm all in. Get it, get it, get it, get it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. Townhouse next to it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. Drop top with a dope rims, look sick with a noob. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. Swear that on my own life, been broke, I'ma die rich. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it. The gold watch with a gold ring. I'ma get it, I'ma get it.
Well, guys, we are back. It's Curtis in Jamanda 7:52 Lana with the Groovy Breakfast Show, man. And guys, thank you so much for your feedback. It's all regarding Ethiopian namhlanje load shedding, guys. Well, this is a problem ngempela esibhekene nayo as i-country. But again, we will overcome this mileage of a problem load shedding, guys. Ngolesine bekuyi holiday and I know most of the so-called 2000s mhlambe abanye babo abazi about this holiday ukuthi la qhamuka kwakwenze njani le holiday le qhamuka, guys. Well, it was a human rights day ngolesine, which is a public holiday la South Africa njalo mhla 21 ku March. Well, guys, this happened the reason sinale holiday ukuthi ngo-1960 69 wabantu, well, aba confirmed dead, but other records show ukuthi it was over 300 people who were shot dead just by protest basic human rights. Siyazi ngo-1960 i-South Africa esangaphansi kobandlululo lapha khona wonke umuntu onebala elinsundu, the black person was required to carry their ID wherever they go. So the people of South Africa said, no, enough is enough. We want to protest against this law because we feel ukuthi it is against our human rights, abapartisi kwabantu, where I have to always identify myself mangihlangana police. So they went to a Sharpeville laphana eGoli, bahlala ngaphandle kwi-police station yakhona. They were not protesting ukuthi babeshaya itoyitoyi, they were not making noise, they were not doing anything that could bring harm to the police of that time, but they just sat there and sang "I'm Struggle" song. That's when the government of that time, so it fits ukuthi kwaku rights ukuthi avele abulale unarmed people. Amaphoyisa ase police station laphana avulelanga inhlavu kwebantwini ababekade belapho epolice station laphana ukuthi kwakuthiwa laphana on this day 1960 69 people lost their lives and over 100 people were injured in Sharpeville massacre for peacefully marching against past laws. Let us not take our freedom and our human rights for granted. Lives were lost. Let us recognize those who fought for it. Yebo nangempela mlaleli abantu abaningi laphana lost their lives. Abantu abaningi laphana today ababazi ogogo babo, ababazi mhlambe okhokho babo because of that, and uthola ukuthi mhlambe khona mhlambe abantu they who could have been growing up ukuthi babe izinto ezinkulu eSouth Africa, but they were shot dead ngaloso sikhathi so bandlule bebeshutshulwa amaphoyisa obandlule sosikhathi ngoba babithi enough is enough, akukho fair ukuthi sihlezi siphethe amapasi. This was a very huge thing. We know ukuthi government of that time, the late Dr. Nelson Mandela said after that massacre ukuthi as iparty yakhe ANC they would no longer recognize the government that was in power at that time because they feel ukuthi the government does nothing but kill unarmed people who were just trying to protest against umthetho ongekho fair. But anyway, that was a human rights yaqhamuka kanjalo human rights kwaba-ke kwathi-ke ekuhambeni kwesikhathi lolu suku la-declare as a public holiday in South Africa in commemoration of lobo bantu abashona ngaloso sikhathi ukuthi sazi hlezi sibakhumbula ukuthi namhlanje awudingakali ukuthi uhambe uphethe ipasi, awudingakali ukuthi uhamba uphethe into eziba negama lakho nesibongo sakho because of those people that passed away at that time abayi-sacrifice so that you and I and everyone else who live in this country can have a better life. Well mlaleli, if you didn't know ukuthi u-21 March wayi holiday usuyazi-ke manje. Stay tuned then with the Groovy Breakfast Show with Extension Point FM and we'll keep on informing you about izinto ezenzakalayo. Khumbula ukuthi bana ngo-9 kuya ku10:30 laphana ukhona uNothi the Freak laphana beno-Olona bethi vuka uzibheke bese kuthi from 10:30 kuya ku-12 laphayana ukhona uNtando benonkosi khona umfaka mthana bathi nje sigijima ngenqina uhlelo masikani laphana bese kuthi from 12 kuya ku-3 laphana ukhona umage laphana kuthi T-Major Show laphana bese kuthi ntambama ngo-3 o'clock kuya ku-6 khona uLucky D lapha bethi nje food for thought. Stay tuned lana kwi-Extension Point and we promise you ukuthi uzo-entertaineka i-Saturday yakho yonke kuze kube intambama. Well ake samphana sithi ukothola iy'ngoma phana bese siyabuya futhi.
ungqongqoshe wezokuphepha eGauteng usizakele Nkosi Malibane uthi sekuyintsakavukela ukudlwengulwa kubulawa izingane eningizimu Afrika kanti izangoma zezulu sezixwayise ngezimvula ezinamandla esifundazweni saKwaZulu Natal njengoba sevele ziwedalile umenakalo kwezinye zezingxenye zesifundazwe. Izindaba zehora lesishiyagalombili ekuseni nosifundela nguSigananda Kashezi sawubona mlaleli. Ungqongqoshe wezokuphepha eGauteng usizakele Nkosi Malibane uthi sekuyintsakavukela ukudlwengulwa nokubulawa kwezingane eningizimu Afrika. uMalibane ubevakashela umndeni oseGoli ovelelwe umshophi lapho kutholakale khona ingane eneminyaka eyisishiyagalolunye idlwenguliwe yabulawa. Lolu sana lutholakale endlini ludlwenguliwe kanti endlini kutholakale nomzala walo onamanxeba amaningi futhi naye edlwenguliwe. ungqongqoshe wesifundazwe uthi bazolwa ngokusemandleni ukuthi lesi sihlakava siphele. Okhulumela ihhovisi uyaphawula.
Incidents of abuse and killings of women in the province. The escalating number of incidents of abuse and killings of women in the province. We have had a number of such disturbing incidents in the recent past.
Uma ngihlabela phambili ngibheka udaba oluthi izangoma zezulu sezixwayise ngezivule ezinamandla esifundazweni kwaZulu Natal njengoba vele seziwudalile umenyakalo kwezinye zezingxenye zesifundazwe. Abezimo zezulu baqagule ukuthi kulempela sonto kunezimvule ezinamandla ezizophelezelwa ngokuduma kwezulu esifundazweni kwaZulu Natal. Lezi zimvula ziqale ngoLwesine futhi sezidale umenakalo omkhulu ezindaweni ezinjengo Ladysmith, Newcastle lapho kuguguleke khona imizi, imigwaqo, izakhamuzi zasala Dengwane. Nakubaka bezimo eziphuthumayo bengakakhiphi imbiko ukuthi bakhona yini abashonile.
Angango-60% endaweni eziningi kuthi-ke endaweni esehlagwini Chingalanga isifunda kube kulapho-ke kulangalindeleka amathuba angango-30%. Kuzakuthi-ke endaweni ezihlalelene nolwandle indawo ezilapha eThekwini ukukhuphukela kileza indawo ezilapha kubo Richards Bay kube nezulu elingakhambisana nokuduma begodu-ke izulu elingalindeleka ukubana lidala umonakalo lidala inkhukhula kwezinye indawo. Abantu bayeleliswa ukubana bazitsheje kulezo ndawo.
Uma ngiziphetha lezi zehora lesishiyagalombili ngiyalibheka udaba belihamba phambili nobeluthi ungqongqoshe wezokuphepha eGauteng usizakele Nkosi Malibane ukuthi sekuyintsakavukela ukudlwengulwa kulubulawa izingane eningizimu Afrika. Kanti-ke ngizibeka lapha lezi zehora lesishiyagalombili ngikukhumbuza ukuthi uma ngabe likamanxa ngizobuya ngizothi nqampu bese zithi mukuthungele lesishiyagalolunye. Okwamanje qhubeka uhlale nathi emsakazweni wakho hamba phambili i-Extension Point FM.
Well, son mlaleli, we are back lana sisinjena asibonge lapha na kuSigananda ni indaba zaphana athe wasinika zona njengoba ku 8 o'clock nje mlaleli. Sazi mlaleli ke ukuthi Extension Point ayipheli makuphela i-breakfast show nje yodwa lena kuphela, kodwa ke sizoqhubeka nje njalo kuze kube kushaya u6 o'clock ntambama. We do apologize in advance should we have any technical issues during the day. Mhlambe nathi sibashawa iyona i-load shedding mhlambe, who knows. Well mlaleli mangabe mlaleli around iTsheli Mnyama, around township yaseMarine Hill mlaleli, and we are actually seeing this for the first time lapha ku Facebook, or you seeing it for the first time in any social media platform lapha yana tshela abantu phana ukuthi listen, there's a new community radio station ekhona eTsheli Mnyama ekuthiwa Extension lapayana. Well, we've been here for a couple of weeks now. If I'm not making a mistake, I think it's going to be almost a month now. See Kona on your social media every Saturday morning in Jena. 6:30 schools kushaya unan. Lalel angano kunkuma nawe kakhulu ake sithi nje ukuthola ingoma sikunya amathe, and we'll be back after this.
Summer shooting star. Mama bona tina baya wisa. Summer shooting star. Summer shooting star. Summer rockstar baya spisa. Oh zeguse. Jaye statulunga mane ufe. Mane ufe. Oh zeguse.
No my yen, yeah. Fuck stiff, no me why yen.